Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So, seeing that you are watching this video on YouTube, and if you are using YouTube Premium, like I am, which is the paid version of YouTube, then unfortunately, according to Google and YouTube, a premium price hike is going to be coming starting in November of this year, 2024. And many users who have been affected have received emails already from Google and YouTube, where there are price hikes that are ranging from anywhere between 30 to nearly 60%. And this is just one example of an email that was sent to a premium user in Sweden who was told that there is a 60% price increase in Sweden, which is quite drastic, to be quite honest. And this comes after now YouTube is clamping down against ad blockers and content blockers, as I've been posting. And as I posted last week, where YouTube is also now rolling out pause ads. And that video will be linked down below and in the end screen. So YouTube really so-called driving the proverbial nail into the coffin with some of these recent decisions. And just some details regarding what is going on with this recent price increase, where in some countries a family plan membership has increased by more than $10 per month. Individual YouTube premium subscriptions have increased by more than $2 per month in some regions as well. And countries who at this stage are affected with this price increase, thankfully, I'm not in one of those countries yet to receive a price increase. But countries that are affected currently are Ireland, Netherlands, Italy, Belgium, Denmark, Switzerland, Sweden, Norway, Czech Republic, Singapore, United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, Indonesia, Colombia, and Thailand. So interesting stuff going on here. And I'm sure that there are going to be a lot of YouTube Premium subscribers that are being affected by this price increase that are not going to be happy about this, as I can already foresee. So I think that YouTube is going to be getting a lot of cancelled subscriptions when it comes to the premium subscription service, because as mentioned, that price increase can be anywhere between 30 to 60%. So I think a 60% price increase is quite drastic, to be quite honest. And if I get any more news regarding this, obviously because we are on a YouTube platform here, I'll obviously try and keep you guys posted. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.